This spicy, creamy peanut noodle recipe is easy to whip up any night. And what's great is you can customize it with whatever protein and vegetable you have around.
Hey friends, we've all been there before. We're not really sure what we want to make for dinner and nothing in the fridge is speaking out to us. So here's a great work night meal that you can make by raiding your pantry and finding a couple of leftover ingredients in the fridge. We're making chili peanut noodles tonight. All right, use whatever kind of noodles you like. Here I'm using a thin, flat wheat noodle. We're gonna bring some salted water to a boil and we're gonna put our noodles in and get them cooking while we get the rest of the ingredients ready. All right, so now we're gonna make our base sauce to go with the noodles, and then I'm gonna hunt some ingredients that I'm gonna add to this dish, and that's the same thing you're gonna do once you have your base set. All right, we're gonna start with chunky or smooth peanut butter. Okay, this is the lesser known product made by Huifeng Foods, and this is a great staple to have in your kitchen. This is chili garlic sauce. Okay, now some brown sugar. We're gonna do dark soy sauce. Now this is optional, but I'm using some good fish sauce here. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit by little bit warm water and mix this sauce paste to the consistency that you like it. I'm gonna add a little bit more. All right, so now we got our paste for our noodles. I raided my fridge and I decided I'm gonna do it with a little bit of fried onion. Got red pepper. There's a little bit of roast pork that I have. Now if you're vegetarian, this dish goes really great with fried tofu. I gotta get my wok nice and hot, smoking. Now I'm gonna turn down the heat a little bit and I'm gonna fry my onions. Now you may not like onions, you may want to put mushrooms, whatever. Remember, this is like a pantry raiding, kitchen foraging kind of night. We're getting our onions nice and brown and crispy. Now we're gonna take them off the pan and set it aside. Okay, we're not looking to burn the oil, but I'm gonna start with a little bit of sesame oil, toasted sesame oil, to coat, fry the noodles. Now in with our peanut chili paste. Now I'm gonna put my other ingredient. To get some tongs, you can kind of mix up the noodles. It is good. Delicious, to be honest. The thing about this is it's a completely customizable dish. If you are a vegetarian, you can chop up some tempeh, some seitan, whatever vegetables you find in the fridge. It's got a nice toasty, not overly peanutty flavor, and the amount of chili garlic sauce that I use is not overwhelming. So if you want it spicier, you can definitely add more than I did. This is a situation where you can have a work night meal and it doesn't have to be a big production, but you can have a nice hot meal to end the day.